Bye-bye, Snow. Not gonna miss you, Snow. Look at that, y'all. We going to warmer weather. Deuces.
Go swim in the wintertime. Hey, babe. All right, y'all. So our flight got delayed like 3 hours. We're supposed to leave at 10. No, we're supposed to leave at 7, and now we don't leave till 10:30. So yeah.
Yeah. That sucks.
The next day.
Hey, y'all. We made it to the Airbnb. This is our room. It's a little, you know, a little old school. This whole house is a little old school. So it's a room here. That's a room here. One of our boys is on their way right now. What up, what up, what up? There's a room there. So a closet right here. This is the bathroom. Like the main bathroom, the little tub in here. That door leads to the outside, y'all. So I'll show y'all in a second. Show the rest of it real quick. She's still putting her lashes in. I gotta make fun of her, y'all. This is the front door here. We'll step out there in a second. This is the living room. Alright. So the living room leads to the pool. That's what this little door right here was. Like a little pool. It leads to the pool from the bathroom. We got a nice little pool right here. It's about 6 feet deep. It goes like 6 feet. Yep. No, it goes like 5 feet, my bad. Look at that handsome man in that reflection. I don't know if y'all can see him. That was me. Alright. Back inside. Like a little dining area right here. Some little shelves. The kitchen. This is the kitchen. There's in the bathroom here. Man, this little radio right here is inside the wall. Like this, it had to be an old lady who made this up. Like, this place gotta be owned by an older person, because when I see that, all I think about is that Tiny Tim song, like tiptoe through the tulips, through the garden. Y'all know that song, that little scary song? Like, you know, if you don't know it, look it up. It's a song they use in a lot of scary movies. This is the living room. Got a nice 65-inch TV on the wall. And then, you know, a sectional couch. So, that's what we got.
Hello. Thank you. My name is Karen. I'll be taking care of you guys today.
Alright. I have a question. This big drink. How much is that?
Man, it's 82 degrees right now.
What's the name of this place again?
Ocean.
Man,
Ocean Sky?
yeah, I haven't felt the weather like this in a couple months now.
You said the pina colada is?
The honey colada is like 55, the one with the beer is...
Honey colada.
Early,
They feel sorry for
it
you.
was like, you're a good guy, man. You're a likable person.
If Dr. I was there,
Yeah, are you flashing your lights?
Alright, y'all, we are at Bacon Bitch. You can literally call the waiters bitches. Waitresses bitches. The guys too, sure. This is our group that we with. Morning. Right now, what's today?
it's Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday.
Yep.
Saturday.
9 o'clock in the morning. And we out here on this boat.
Yeah. So yeah, it was a surprise for our homeboy. So
yeah.
We're going there right now. This is real nice scenery, though. Real nice.
I don't know if they can see it.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
A few moments later. Many hours later.
She hungry, y'all.
Many hours later.
But this is a nice area and we're gonna take some pictures. But it's off limits. So we're being bad, you guys. Security came. Security came. Let me see. Oh shit, yeah, it's cut. Security came, we gotta go.
My foot bleeding, I need a band-aid.
The next day. the next day.
You could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh.
Look at her, y'all. You know she had a good time this weekend. You got lit, babe?
Huh?
You got lit?
Yeah.
Look at her hair. I said I was gonna walk past her, give her $1 and walk away. She can get her a drink and some food today.